That's what I'm talking about.
She's back.
You don't want to be twisted, right? So you want to get a clear picture everywhere. Yeah. Right? You don't want to see any shade of black around the
That's my baby. She's doing right. She's doing all right.
Put it in this pocket.
All
Smith &
right.
Wesson M&P 2.0 metal. A real masterpiece. I think that's what the M&P stands for, masterpiece.
I agree. This is probably one of the best made guns. This beats a Glock. This beats a Glock all day, every day. Come for me, Glock lovers.
Views and opinions expressed on the channel do not reflect everyone involved. Just putting that disclaimer out there. Please address your comments all in gen, not take the shot. This has been a public service announcement.
All right, little guy in the corner. Let's take him out. Little guy in the corner.
Out. I hate little guys in the corner. They make me nervous. All right, bring it in.
Man, you like destroyed little guy in the corner.
I told you I don't like them. Little guys in the corner are suspicious. I haven't shot this thing in a while. Pretty good shoot.
It's a fantastic shoot.
Put
How far out was that?
like
15
12,
yards?
12 yards.
12 yards.
Hey YouTube, this is Take the Shot from Guns and Gambling. First of all, let me say that this is a safe and controlled environment. This weapon is clear. Nothing here. Nothing here. Magazine is clear. Safe, controlled environment. There's no ammunition in this room. Let's get into it. Today, we are talking about the Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 carry comp. Okay, so this is a all-metal handgun. It's got the lower that is aluminum. Again, it is clear. The barrel on this firearm is about 4.2 inches. It is ported, and you see it's got the slide cuts here. It's very good looking gun. You do have another cut here. Here's the port. I do wish it was a little bit bigger. That's just my opinion, but I think that overall this is a fantastic gun. This does have interchangeable back straps. When you buy the firearm, you can change the back straps to match your grip. This does have a very good, comfortable, aggressive grip. You see the grips here and here, so you can really grab that front, and you can really get the web of your hand up high around that palm swell. It's very when you have this in your hand, you definitely get a good grip. This has the solar charging site from Hollison. This is the site that is made specifically for this pistol. It is green. It's a green dot. It has a shake awake. It does come with 2 magazines. 2 of these right here, 17, 16. There you go, 17. You can see that, 2 17s. And we have our experience with this gun. First of all, like I said, it is a very good looking gun, as you can tell. It's very fun to shoot. It's very easy to shoot. The simple fact that it's all metal definitely helps with the recoil mitigation. So this is one of the guns that definitely Jen does well with, and I do well with also. This is actually hers, but I get to shoot it too. So yeah, I would say that one of the, now this is the all metal one. They do have a version that has the polymer. It has the regular, and it's much cheaper. Haven't tried that one, but I will say I can speak to this one that this is a very good shooting gun. I'm going to show you the trigger reset. See if I can get it. There's a reset and a very crisp click. Yeah, so the trigger is rated about 4.5 pounds. And like I said, I like to keep my reviews short and sweet. I like to really demonstrate the firearm out in the range. We've had this for maybe 4 or 5 months. Never had any issues with it. Never had any jams. Like right out the box, it's been wonderful. Again, this is the pricier model. Something to consider if you want to get into the Performance Center series. But definitely, I mean, I think it's worth it if you can afford it. But again, they do have a polymer version with the polymer bottom, which is considerably cheaper. The only negative that I would say about this gun is the price, because it's on the higher side. But I think it's a good gun if you want to possibly carry. I mean, it's a little, for me, it's a little on the bigger side, but I mean, I have seen people carry this gun. As far as the grip, I think it's almost perfect as far as how they did this. And you can really get your palm up high, and you get your grip here, and you get a grip here. It doesn't move in your hand. Sometimes when you have a pistol in your hand and you're shooting, you can actually feel, after about the 3rd or 4th shot, you can actually feel it. I'm exaggerating, but you can feel it moving and turning. You're not going to have that problem with this. The trigger, again, I think it's just a matter of training and getting used to the trigger. This does have the performance trigger. I know you're not crazy about it, but I think it's fantastic. I don't think there's any really negative aesthetically with the gun or performance wise. That's just my opinion. I think it's perfect just the way it is. And like I said,
a masterpiece.
MMP, I know stands for military and police, but MMP stands for masterpiece, baby. All right, that's it. Keeping it short, keeping it sweet. We got some range footage. Like I said, I always like to show the performance of the gun on the range. I don't like to do a lot of talking. So check out the footage, and we'll see you at the range. Like and subscribe. Man, we suck at this. Yeah, guys, so we just obviously need some more training as far as getting off, the first shot.
Told you 10 seconds.
Yeah, 9 seconds, 39.3
9.3.
seconds. Whew.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to work on that.
It's just the eye relief, that's why.
1.78.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just think it's so expensive. I would consider getting
1.34. 1.61.
magnifier. I like it.
I've never shot with one.
1. God, I love this gun. Oh, those are all SIGs.
Make this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's Nike boys hopping out coast.